Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chantal. I will be doing something very easy today. It's a weekday night, so I'm gonna make some pizza with naan bread. It's very good and it's gonna be very easy. I'm gonna make a tuna pizza and with some toppings. Let's try this. So it's very simple. We have here some naan bread. I'm gonna use some tomato sauce, which you you can buy already pizza sauce, tomato sauce, but this one is has no flavor, so we're gonna add the flavor inside with some cayenne red pepper, uh, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of basil. We're gonna use extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of Parmigiano, mozzarella. I have here a old, little bit orange pepper. It's good for the pizza. I'm gonna be using olives. These olives already have garlic inside, so I'm going to be using that. It's gonna give a good taste with onions, and I'm gonna add also some spinach. So let's do this, and we're gonna serve this with a salad. So here I took a little bit of advance. I grated my cheese. I cut my pepper, onions, and olives. So this is gonna go much faster for the video. And here I have a can of tuna. I like this kind because it's very tasty. We're gonna remove the oil from it. So we are going to put the oven at 400 degree Fahrenheit, which is 200 or 190 Celsius. I always have a little problem. Remember that one. First thing is the tomato sauce. Is the strained crushed tomato. But as I said, you can use any kind of sauce already prepared. I'm gonna put enough of tomato sauce. That should do it. I like this very versatile strained tomato. I use them for lots of recipes. Okay, now we see them all. Perfect. So easy. Seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. After, I forgot salt and pepper as well. A little bit of onion, garlic. We don't want to put too much because we already have a lot of taste with the olives. Little basil. Some I'm gonna do them just cheese because children don't like tuna. So I'm adding my tuna. Then I'm adding the onions. And then our nice orange pepper. Then the olives. So just to show you, I'm gonna reheat the spinach into a little bit of oil, and we're gonna top it once it is melted down. And finally, we put the cheese. So this is our nice pizza for tonight with tuna and nice topping. And serve with a salad. I'm gonna make small vinaigrette with that, and that will be it for tonight. The cheese is very well done, and this bread comes crispy on the bottom. Well, I just got a little technical problem, so I don't have the end of the video, but I can tell you it was very good. And I hope you like this recipe, very simple, and that you will follow me on my YouTube channel. So subscribe and share with your friends and family, and I will see you in another video. Bye.